Hello everyone, today we are doing an unboxing of Movo's Double Mic dual capsule condenser microphone. Let's get started. So here's the microphone. Here's the mount. Manuals. Looks like maybe a sticker. Cute little carrying case. And then it does have windsocks. There's one. Looks like my old hamster there. There's two. You can adjust to front, rear. So you want just the rear to pick up, front to pick up, or both. Well, my main reason for getting this microphone is when you get the media pod for your GoPro, it turns into a directional microphone. So when I'm creating video, it's harder for you to hear me if I'm facing the camera away from me. So I picked this up. It's very inexpensive. It was $49 on Amazon. I'll put a link below. And here in a second I'll mount it on there and show you what it looks like. Tighten it down. Like so. Spin that around so it's not in the way, because you definitely don't want it to be blocking your lens. And with that, with the media pod, I can just open that up and plug it in, and it's good to go. Alright, that's going to wrap up our unboxing of the Movo's Double Mic dual capsule condenser microphone. I'll put links below if you would like to get one of your own. In our next video we will try it out. Till then, happy trails.